The abandoned house stood on the edge of town. It was a stark reminder of times gone by. Its windows had long been boarded up, and the paint was peeling off in large flakes. The house had been empty for years, and no one knew what happened to the people who once lived there. One stormy night, a group of teenagers decided to explore the abandoned house. They had heard stories about it being haunted, but they didn't believe the old wives' tales. They thought it would be fun to spend a night at the house and see if anything happened. Young people came home late at night. The strange thing was that, even though the house was not used, the lights were on, they were even more curious. The storm was still raging, and the wind was howling. Around the house, the young people entered and found themselves in a dusty living room. Young people began to explore the house. They found a library with shelves full of books, a dining room with a long, empty table, and a master bedroom with a four-poster bed. The more they discovered, the more they became uneasy. They kept hearing strange noises and felt like they were being watched. The young people decided to go up. They found a bedroom with a children's bed and a rocking horse. While they were looking around, they heard a noise from the closet. One of the young people slowly opened the closet door. Inside, they found a little girl's dress hanging on a hook. The dress was white and lacy and looked like it was worn for a special occasion. All the young people were amazed by the dress. They decided to leave home. Immediately, they ran downstairs and out the front door. While they were running away from the house, they heard a scream behind them. They turned around but couldn't see anyone. The young people continued running until they reached the edge of the city. Then they collapsed to the ground, out of breath. "What was that?" one of the young people asked. "I don't know," another teenager replied, "but I think we should stay away from that house." The young people never returned to the abandoned house. They never learned the fate of the people who once lived there, and they never heard the little girls scream again. But they never forgot that night they spent in the haunted house. The abandoned house still stands on the edge of town. It is a reminder of the past and a mystery that can never be solved. The end.